One common question that we're asked in relativity to the yards pertains to lumpiness and unevenness in the yard. The reason for this is because the yard is new and it's experiencing settling for the first time. With the red dirt clay type soil that we have, different areas of the yard will settle at different rates. In order to combat this, we make sure the final grade is smooth, and then where sod goes down, we have our landscaping and erosion company roll each yard to make sure it's as smooth as possible. But once you move in and continue to water the yard, once we have heavier rainfalls, different areas of the yard will settle at different rates. What we recommend is letting the yard progress and do what it's going to do naturally throughout the first year, and then after the first year, identify any low spots that you want to top dress. Many of our customers will take it upon themselves to top dress the yards within the first year, and it's certainly an option that you have. However, we do recommend waiting for the yard to do what it's going to do naturally over the first year, just to mitigate some of the work that you may be doing yourself, as much of your yard will improve marginally on its own. One good indicator if you have a concern about the way your yard looks is to walk your neighborhood. Look at the yards that have been established for a year or more. Most of the time they're going to be relatively even, and you can pretty much be confident that the homeowners did not take any corrective action themselves on the yard. They did not do any additional rolling, they did not do any additional top dressing. That is what the yard is going to look like as it progresses naturally throughout the first 1 to 2 years.